Hey there! Today we are going to tell you how you can create different personas inside HubSpot so that it's further easier to understand what sort of buyer do you have on your plate.
Now, in order to create buyer personas in HubSpot, click on Settings firstly. And now on the left-hand side, click on Properties. In the Contact Properties section, search for Personas. Now click on the persona and you can add another persona over here. So you can make it something memorable. Maybe if you have called that person once or maybe something else. So we can make a persona, maybe something like insurance industry. And in this persona, we will have a specific age group or something. People from insurance industry who are a good fit. And then in internal notes, what kind of jobs does insurance industry have? So here we can specify that we are looking for particularly manager and branch head level roles. Maybe somebody who's in a position of power. What is insurance industry trying to do? We are trying to pitch to higher up. And now what kind of challenges are the people from our target group, persona group are facing? So they need more out of their time. So we are going to solve that problem. How old is the target demographic of this age group? Something like 40 to 50 years. How much does our target persona earn? Maybe something upwards of $50,000 per month. What kind of education? We are looking for somebody with a master's or equivalent degree. And where is the person from our average persona located? Maybe in the United States of America. And then you can click on Save. And now you have an insurance industry persona. And then you can select contacts with this kind of value. Now finally click on Save. And now new persona has been added.
So guys, I hope you learned how to create personas inside HubSpot today. In case you are running into any issues, feel free to comment down below, and you can always reach out to us via the one-on-one consultation call, which you can book easily by scanning the QR code in front of you. And I'll see you guys soon in the next video.